Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to demonstrate Griffith's experiment, also called Griffith's Transformation experiment. This experiment was originally performed by Frederick Griffith in 1928, and by this experiment he observed the bacterial transformation process. This experiment is one of the important contributions which led to the discovery of genetic material as well. This experiment was performed using a bacteria, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and mice as test organisms. He worked on two strains of this bacteria, the R2 strain, or also called the rough strain, and the S3 strain, or the smooth strain. The R2 strain lacks a capsule and do not cause disease, while the S3 strain of the same bacteria is encapsulated and causes disease. So let's see how this experiment was performed. In the first case, a sample containing live R2 strains of bacteria was injected in a mice. As the R2 strain is non-virulent, so the mice did not develop any disease and survived. In the second case, a sample containing live S3 strain was injected in the mice. As expected, the mice developed disease and died after a few days. In the third case, the sample of S3 strain was first heated to kill the bacterial cells, and a small amount of this heat-killed sample of S3 strain was inserted in mice. The mice survived in this case as the bacterial cells were killed by the heat treatment. In the last case though, the heat-killed sample of S3 strain used in previous case was mixed with live samples of R2 strain. This mixture was now injected in the mice, and to his surprise, the mice died after a few days due to disease. This was repeated several times, but the same results were obtained. Later, the blood sample of this mice was analyzed, and live samples of S3 strains were also obtained along with the R2 strains. By this, Griffith concluded that live R2 bacteria acquired some chemicals from the heat-killed sample of S3 strain and got transformed into S3 strain, and he called this process transformation. Later, this chemical was identified to be as DNA. The ability of bacterial cells to acquire foreign DNA from the external medium is called competency. So that's all for this video. If you have any queries, you can ask it in the comment section below, or you want to request any other topics, you can write it in the comment section below.